YouTube has become a lucrative platform for content creators to share their passions, expertise, and creativity while generating income. While many creators opt to showcase their faces in videos, numerous faceless niches offer equal potential for success. In this article, we'll explore 10 such niches poised to thrive in 2024, providing detailed insights into each category and how aspiring creators can tap into their profitability. Number 10. White noise and ASMR. The demand for relaxation and stress relief continues to rise, making white noise and ASMR, autonomous sensory meridian response, content incredibly popular on YouTube. Creators in this niche can produce high-quality audio recordings of triggers, such as tapping, scratching, or whispering, without ever showing their faces. These videos are sought after by individuals looking to unwind, improve focus, or alleviate insomnia. Additionally, with the advent of sleep aid apps and smart speakers, there's a growing market for soothing audio content. By consistently delivering captivating sounds and optimizing their videos for searchability and discoverability, creators can attract a dedicated audience and monetize through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Number 9. Educational animations. Animated educational content has the power to simplify complex topics and captivate viewers of all ages. Without appearing on camera, creators can leverage animation software to visualize abstract concepts, historical events, scientific phenomena, and more. By focusing on clear explanations, engaging visuals, and a cohesive narrative structure, creators can establish themselves as authorities in their respective fields and build a loyal following. Moreover, animated videos are highly shareable across social media platforms, potentially increasing their reach and virality. Monetization avenues for this niche include YouTube ad revenue, Patreon subscriptions, and sponsored content partnerships with educational institutions or brands aligned with the channel's theme. Number 8. Productivity and organization. In today's fast-paced world, many individuals struggle to stay organized and productive amidst numerous responsibilities and distractions. Faceless YouTube channels dedicated to productivity and organization offer practical solutions, time-saving hacks, and motivational tips to help viewers optimize their lives. Creators can share strategies for effective time management, goal setting, task prioritization, and decluttering without revealing their identities. By demonstrating tangible results and fostering a supportive community, these channels can attract a diverse audience eager to improve their efficiency and well-being. Monetization strategies may include affiliate marketing partnerships with productivity tools, sponsored content from brands promoting organizational products, and premium membership tiers offering exclusive resources and personalized coaching sessions. Number 7. DIY and life hacks. The DIY, do-it-yourself, and life hacks niche encompasses many creative projects, practical tips, and innovative solutions for everyday challenges. Without needing on-camera appearances, creators can showcase their craftsmanship, problem-solving skills, and ingenuity through step-by-step tutorials and instructional videos. Whether it's home improvement projects, upcycling crafts, or money-saving hacks, this evergreen niche has no shortage of content ideas. By emphasizing simplicity, affordability, and accessibility, creators can resonate with a broad audience seeking inspiration and empowerment. Monetization opportunities include affiliate marketing for tools and materials, sponsored content collaborations with relevant brands, and merchandise sales featuring DIY-inspired products and kits. Number 6. Cooking and recipes. Food-related content remains one of the most popular categories on YouTube, with millions of viewers tuning in to discover new recipes, cooking techniques, and culinary inspiration. Faceless creators can focus on capturing tantalizing shots of ingredients and cooking processes without appearing on camera, allowing the food to take center stage. From quick and easy meals to gourmet dishes and international cuisines, this niche has endless potential for creativity and experimentation. By providing clear instructions, helpful tips, and mouth-watering visuals, creators can build a loyal following of food enthusiasts and home cooks. Monetization avenues include sponsored recipe collaborations with food brands, affiliate marketing for kitchen gadgets and appliances, and revenue from ad placements within cooking tutorials. Number 5. Travel guides, travel enthusiasts, and armchair adventurers flock to YouTube for destination inspiration, travel tips, and virtual experiences around the globe. Faceless travel guides offer a unique perspective by focusing on immersive footage of scenic landscapes, cultural attractions, and hidden gems without featuring the creator's presence on camera. Through cinematic videography, informative narration, and practical advice, creators can transport viewers to far-off destinations and help them plan their adventures. By covering a diverse range of locations, from popular tourist destinations to off-the-beaten-path discoveries, channels in this niche can appeal to a wide audience of wanderlust-driven viewers. Monetization strategies may include sponsored travel partnerships, affiliate marketing for travel gear and accommodations, and revenue from ads displayed alongside travel vlogs and destination guides. Number 4. Language learning. With globalization and multiculturalism rising, there's a growing demand for language learning resources and educational content on YouTube. Faceless channels dedicated to language learning can offer comprehensive tutorials, vocabulary lessons, pronunciation guides, and cultural insights to help viewers master new languages from the comfort of their homes. By leveraging visual aids, graphics, and interactive exercises, creators can facilitate effective language acquisition without appearing on camera. Whether it's beginner-friendly introductions or advanced grammar lessons, there's a niche for every proficiency level and language pair. Monetization avenues may include premium membership tiers offering access to exclusive lessons and resources, sponsored language app integrations, and affiliate marketing partnerships with language learning platforms and textbook publishers. Number 3. Financial advice. In an era of economic uncertainty and financial complexity, many seek trustworthy guidance and practical strategies for managing their money effectively. Faceless YouTube channels dedicated to personal finance offer valuable insights, budgeting tips, investment advice, and wealth-building strategies without featuring the creator's face on camera. By focusing on educational content, unbiased recommendations, and actionable steps, creators can establish credibility and trust with their audience. Whether it's retirement planning, debt management, or investment diversification, this niche has a wealth of topics to explore. Monetization opportunities include affiliate marketing for financial products and services, sponsored content collaborations with fintech companies, and revenue from ad placements within finance-related videos. Number 2. Gaming walkthroughs and tutorials. The gaming industry continues to experience exponential growth, with millions of players seeking guidance, entertainment, and community on platforms like YouTube. Faceless channels dedicated to gaming walkthroughs, tutorials, and gameplay highlights offer valuable resources for players of all skill levels without requiring the creator to appear on camera. By focusing on in-depth analysis, strategic insights, and immersive gameplay experiences, creators can attract a dedicated gaming enthusiast audience and cultivate camaraderie within their community. Whether mastering challenging levels, unlocking achievements, or discovering Easter eggs, there's no shortage of content opportunities in this dynamic niche. Monetization avenues may include sponsored game reviews, affiliate marketing for gaming peripherals and merchandise, and revenue from ad placements within gaming videos. Number 1. Crafting and artistry. Creativity knows no bounds in the crafting and artistry niche, where DIY enthusiasts and creative minds converge to share their passion for handmade projects and artistic expression. Faceless YouTube channels in this niche can showcase various crafting techniques, art tutorials, DIY projects, and creative endeavors without featuring the creator's face on camera. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.